Tomorrow marks 75 years since the end of the Second World War in Europe and saw the defeat of fascism in Europe and all that it stands for. I want to take this opportunity to thank all the veterans and those who worked hard on the home front to help secure this victory and to guarantee the freedoms that we enjoy today. I hope that many of you will celebrate VE Day tomorrow, but please do so safely from your homes and gardens. We've come a long way since lockdown began in March, and there may now be signs of light at the end of the tunnel, but there's still a long way to go to ensure our safety from this terrible virus. So I want you to have the well-being of the NHS, your communities, and yourselves at the heart of all that you do. Do enjoy the bank holiday weekend. Have a great time, but do so in safety, and I thank you very much indeed.